Hi, I'm Steve from Seismic, and today I'm going to tell you about our doors for the full-size Ranger. We always heard from customers that they wanted a set of doors that would work with the roof and the windshield that they already had. They didn't exist until we made this set. What customers had to do was buy a set of doors that had a roof and a windshield all designed to work together. So if you already had a roof and windshield, you had to get rid of them and buy new ones. It gets expensive fast. So what we came up with was a very clever way to make a set of doors that will work with any roof and any windshield. The key to how it works is that our doors don't close against the roll cage of the vehicle. They close against the subframe that is a part of our own door kit. Pretty much every other set of doors opens and closes and hits on the roll cage. Our subframe is what these doors close up against. So it doesn't matter how much overhang your roof has or doesn't have. It doesn't matter how your windshield wraps around or doesn't wrap around. The doors don't interact with the roof or the windshield or the roll cage of the vehicle. The doors just interact with the subframe that's a part of the door kit. So whatever windshield you've got, whatever roof you've got, these doors are going to work with it. The door latch is a fantastically simple and effective device, and it latches around the subframe of the doors. The mirror bracket is built into the sealed frame, welded on, and it's very easy to attach the mirrors. Just bolt them right through the fabric and attach them to the metal bracket that's inside. Installing our door kit is surprisingly simple. There's no drilling, there's no modifying, there's no messing around with your vehicle. It goes on in just a couple of hours using basic hand tools that you've already got. All you've got to do is install the bracket down at the bottom through holes that already exist. Install one clamp here, install another clamp up here, and attach down here through holes that already exist, and your subframe is on. Drop the doors right into the door hinge receivers, and the door frames are installed. Next, you just put on the textiles, attach the Velcro, and your doors are done. That's all there is to it. So we've taken the roof off of the Ranger so that you can see how everything works inside. And the really important thing to keeping the cab tight and taut is that the driver's side actually attaches to the passenger side with these big quick fit straps. And what we do in here is we've got this big beefy luggage buckle that actually connects the two sides of the cab. And you can apply more tension on the cab as you need if it starts to sag over time or if you just want it tighter. It's really easy to do from inside the cab, and there are 4 of these straps here, here, and 2 down low in the back, and that keeps the left side attached to the right side and keeps all the fabric tight. I'm Steve from Seismic. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video today. If there's anything else you need to know, we got lots of good stuff on our website, seismic.com.